CORE Chiropractic has helped thousands of Houstonians over the past couple decades get out of pain, improve their health, and get back to doing the things that they love. Our first goal is to find out if we can help you. Our friendly team will help you get your information so that you can meet with one of our fantastic chiropractors. After discussing your problem, if we think we can help you, we let you know. Then we do a thorough examination and any necessary x-rays. The x-rays are very important to see what is going on with your spine and to know that it is safe to adjust you. This will also help us know that the treatment actually worked when we do a follow-up x-rays down the road. Once we figure out what is going on with you, then we will determine what treatment would be appropriate for you.
Our chiropractic approach and therapies have helped many people with neck pain, upper back tightness, low back discomfort, headaches, shoulder pain, hip dysfunction, knee pain, as well as neuropathies such as sciatica and carpal tunnel.
Most patients are treated on the first visit, and often there is relief, so you'll know it's working.
Core success in helping our patients is in the plan that is created from the information gathered from this first visit.
Significant relief is often achieved in the first few weeks. Most of our patients continue with us as they strive for better alignment and lasting results over the next several months.
On your next visit, we will review your x-rays and the plan.
We can schedule your next visit as soon as the very next day so that we can maximize how our care can help you.